kontje. It means your bum. The jet on the end makes it, cute or small. So I guess when you say, kontje, it's...
It's a very interesting idea that you guys have diminutives and then you can turn everything cute. Bioce, kokje, tucci.
Cadoce, meisje. For me, the diminutives are very sweet and fun. It's very Dutch thing.
I think puffertjes is funny because it really describes what it is. It's like a puff little thingy. So I think it's cute.
I like all words with ha, ha, and they use it a lot. Grappige.
Grappige, because I like the sound.
Graag gedaan. Say that quickly, graag gedaan. And they normally kind of give you a strange look like, wow, you need to learn these sounds.
Verschrikkelijk.
I like the sound sch. Also words that have vowels or diphthongs that are for me typically Dutch. Tuin, vliegtuig.
I like the look of the whole language when it's written down because you have to have so many A's and so many O's and so many K's and not like ours. Ongeoorloofd, which is unlawful and it has 5 O's in it.
Rij of Rijk. It's several words. I saw it on a sign. It's R-I-J, J-I-J, O-F, R-I-J-I-K. So a lot of I's and J's, but it really means are you driving or am I?
I don't know how you play Scrabble.
What I found funny about the Dutch language is that you put words together. One word that's really stick to my mind was handschoenen. If you take each of the part of this word separately, is hand, and then schoenen is shoes, so shoes for your hands. That's really funny.
Pindakaas, which is peanut butter, but the kaas is cheese, so it's not peanut butter, it's peanut cheese. So you can't literally translate the Dutch language.
Huisarts is kind of funny. It's just like my logical mind trying to translate it easily. So I thought that huisarts is like house of arts, but it appears to be like doctors, and that doesn't make sense.
Act? Oh, I love that. It's like from the inside, like it just...
Yeah, that's true. There's like this sensory feedback.
It just feels so good.
And then they reply.
I really like the word like doey. I like it. It's just no matter how doey. You pronounce E like quite long.
Yeah.
Doey. Wow, that's so beautiful.
I like whore a lot when you guys edit. Ja hoor. Ja zeker. Echt zo.
People don't say natuurlijk, but they say tuurlijk. Like everything is okay. Tuurlijk.
Echt waar?
Almost all animal names are funny or sweet in some way. Like spin, a spider is a spin, or a schildpad or a nosehorn. All of them have a descriptive name and it's beautiful.
For me, kakkerlak is very funny. Kakkerlak.
Kakkerlak. Cockroach. It doesn't seem so disgusting as a cockroach. It's kakkerlak. It's like a sound funny.
Schatje. The meaning is like darling, but sounds to me like
it doesn't sound
like I'm killing people. Darling, I love you is Schatje, ik hou van jou. Sorry about it.
Kopop, it's a funny word. I like the sound. It gives you the idea, okay, cheer up.
Paraplup. I find it funny because what is paraplup? You say paraplup. I don't find any reason with saying paraplup.
I like the word schaamstukje, which means same piece. So when Dutch people organize a party, they serve many pieces of cheese or something. Remained one piece is schaamstukje. And I really like this one.
We were learning about like relationships, and I asked my teacher how to say a long distance relationship, And the word is like absurd. Long afstans relatie or something. It's like I would never be able to say that casually. Ik heb een afstandslang relatie. Like what?